First day of this strategy we made $80. Second day $140, and then till now we are at $217. Put credit spreads. Let's see how I am doing it. We start at 27th of April and the price go up and go down, go up and go down, and we don't care because we are going to manage our position in a very good way. Let's see how. And now the market just opened. As you see, this is our position. If we hit on it, we will choose our weekly put credit spreads to see how much money we need to pay to close it. We got from it $77 in premium. So if I want to close it right now, I need to pay about $55, and that will make us $22 profit. It's not very good for me, so I want to keep it open and give it more time so it can become cheaper. And as you can see, SPY now is about $220, and we have 3 more days for this put credit spreads to expire. So I want to give it more time. I want to make about $50 of it. So we will give it more time and we will see what will happen in the end of this trading day. And this is the end of this trading day. As you can see, the price of SPY has rise, so our put credit spreads has become cheaper. And now I will going to see what price I need to pay if I want to close this put credit spreads. I need to pay $33, and we got from it $77 in premium. That put us at $44 in profit. I will keep it open until tomorrow and I will see what will happen. A very good strategy. I am so happy with it until now. If you like, subscribe. Thank you very much.